Welcome to my channel Coder Vlogs. Today we will create simple and beautiful animated splash screen. We use Looty as a tool for animation. It provides beautiful ready-made animation to you which is lightweight and will not affect your app performance. You can easily integrate Looty to Android project. To download Looty animation file, simple search for Looty file. You can download tons of animation file for free and create or edit your animation file in Adobe After Effects or hire your expert for it. I will download in Looty JSON file format. It is compatible in Android Studio. Now let's create empty project with empty activity. Then we will go to Gradle file and at here we will add dependency of Looty. I will write implementation com.ear bnb.android.looty 4.10 and click on synchronize to download the Looty library. Now we have successfully integrated Looty in Android project. Now add Looty animation view in design code and we will do some positioning and alignment. Then we have to create new Android resource directory. To create new raw folder, in raw folder we will add our JSON animation file and include a raw file name in design code with this property, and also add property of autoplay and loop set to true so our default animation never stops. Also add ID so we can hook design code in backend. Now go to backend main activity and create variable for Looty animation view. Now link this variable with front end. To load animation, we need to write this code and we can set its alpha, opacity property to 1, duration to 4 seconds and start delay to 1 second. One more thing we have to do is set initial opacity to 0 so this will create fade effect. Let's run our app to see how it's working. Now app is running fine, but we have to remove the app bar from the screen. To do that, simple go to the themes and remove action bar with no action bar, and that's it.
Now action bar is removed. Now we will add text view in design code. Add text as and animated splash screen. Do some positioning and alignment of text view. Set the ID of text view as T1. Now link this text view in front end to backend of Java code. Now create a new Android resource directory that will be for animation as anim. Create animation source file as text anim. Now add property of translate, set x delta as 0% because we don't want to move it horizontally, we want to move it vertically. For that, set the property of from y delta to 100% and set the duration to 4 seconds. Now we will add the property of alpha. Alpha is basically opacity. I want to create fade effect. For that I need to set from alpha to 0.1 and to alpha to 1.0 and set the duration to 4 seconds. So it will appear in within 4 seconds. Now go to the backend code. Now we have to link this animation file to text anim variable by this line of code. Now start or set the animation for text view T1 and that's it. It is ready to test. So now we will run the application and let's see how it's work.